For those who like their tea to taste like tea, finding the word decaffeinated might be somewhat disconcerting. But when you gently decaffeinate your tea within hours of picking it, then getting a modern cup of tea to taste like a proper one...
Ooh, look, silly. Lyons.
Well, it isn't hard to swallow at all. Lyons decaffeinated tea. Keep the flavor, keep the taste.
Twin cam 16-valve engine, 90 to 150 brake horsepower, multi-link suspension, the Nissan Primera.
Okay, guys, get back to work.
1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16 is 256. 250.
Germs multiply at an astounding rate.
65,536.
Although ordinary liquid cleaners get rid of dirt, they can't all kill germs. Here's one that does. Domestos multi-surface cleaner. It's not clean unless it's hygienically clean.
Dad, where are we going on holiday this year?
How about McDonald's?
McDonald's?
Yes, then maybe Euro Disney.
You could get to Euro Disney through McDonald's when you play Search and Win. There are fabulous family holidays for 4 to be won at the Euro Disney Resort, travelling by British Rail International and P&O European ferries, as well as millions of food offers. Pick up a game card. Every McDonald's in the land will make a wish come true for a lucky family.
If you could see that an oil has to work from 0 to 800 degrees centigrade in the time it takes an engine to fire up. If you could see that an oil has to protect metal from metal at pressures equivalent to a large bomb explosion. If only you could see what an oil has to go through. If you were an engine, you couldn't choose a better oil. Duckhams Hypergrade.
Goodbye. Don't worry about it. I'm just sorry you couldn't stay longer. Auf Wiedersehen. I like to help the afflicted. Every year, right around this time, I like to throw a party in aid of charity. This year it was a Bring a Bottle fundraiser for some delightful folks from Hamburg representing the Association of Hay Fever Sufferers.